Hello friends, welcome to our channel and today we are going to talk about Karur Vysya Bank. So in this video we are going to cover its financial latest news update and along with that we are going to cover the chart analysis. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified for all the upcoming videos. So the Karur Vysya Bank is a private bank and it's a small cap with a market capital of 3,717 crore. Its latest closing is at 46.50. If you look at the analyst rating, so almost 12 analysts are saying that you can buy this stock at this level, and if you are holding it for 1 year you can see a high of 92.32 also. If you look at the financials, see the Karur Vysya Bank has was trending at really good level, almost like 200 levels, past 4 to 5 years back. But after that, it is in continuous downfall, and now it has reached to 46.50. So if you look at the revenue growth, net income, and market share, they have been decreased over the years. So that doesn't look attractive over here. But from here onward, can Karur Vysya or does Karur Vysya have a potential to improve its financial and again start the rally, or is it a turnaround for Karur Vysya? So let's have a look at their financial. So at 2018, the total revenue was 6,599. So which has came to 6,527. So it is almost like near about similar, but a little less. If we look at the EBITDA also have increased from 588.88 crore to 658.52 crore. So this looks a little bit better. If you look at the net income, that also increased from 345.66 to 359.40. So what we are seeing in this balance sheet, see the total revenue, EBITDA, and net income, even though it has not increased profoundly over the years, still at least the bank is sustaining over here on their revenue and net profit. So sustaining is also a good thing for Karur Vysya Bank. It means at least from here it is not showing the downside, further downside. So if it sustain and if it keep gaining the result like this, we can expect a turnaround from here in Karur Vysya Bank. Okay, so if you have already invested in this, you can look forward for averaging this stock if you have bought it very higher level, or if you are a new investor you can look at this stock because the buying price is really attractive, and this is at a support levels. This is trading at near support level. We'll look into that in our chart analysis also. So the sustaining banking revenue and financial looks good as of now. If you look at the shareholding pattern, see there is a 2.12 percentage promoter holding, DII is holding 2.76 percentage, and FII is holding 18.92 percentage, and retail investor are humongously invested in here, showing 59.28 percentage with retail investor. Okay, now there was a one article by Simply Wall Street saying the 3 year underlying earning growth at Karur Vysya Bank is promising, but the shareholder are still in the red over that time. See, the earning growth of the share is now promising, but those shareholder who have already bought it at around 150 level, their portfolio still shows red over here. So, what they're saying is like the earning per share is growing. So compared to the last year, EPS has managed to grow by 18 percentage, so that is a good thing. Along with that, the dividends is also modest, that is 1.2 percentage, and the revenue is actually up by 12% over 3 years. So these things are giving an indication that from here onward Karur Vysya have a capability or potential that it can go ahead and bring a really nice quarterly result for the upcoming quarters. Okay, if you look at the revenue over here, the revenue is 26.64 billion. The earning is 4.13 billion, and free cash flow is 3.57 billion. Okay, so the thing is like as long as these things are sustaining and there we are seeing the earning per share growth is there, and there is a net profit is also increasing. That's a good thing for Karur Vysya Bank. The another news is on 3rd of January, some experts are expecting Karur Vysya Bank gains after Q3 business update. Okay, so Karur Vysya Bank have rose 1.75 percentage to 46.45 after the bank total deposit increased by 7.7 percentage. So last year it was 62,089 crore, and now it has rose by 66,871 crore. If you look at the CASA, the deposit have increased by 12.2 percentage. So now it is at 24,128 crore. The advances were at 52,113 crore last year, but now it has rose by 7.1 percentage, and it came to 55,793 crore. If we look at the Karur Vysya Bank, this is the really earliest bank to spread its networking all over India. And if you look at the branches, it had the branch network of 780 and an ATM and cash recycler network of 2,236. The data is reflecting from 31st of March 2021. So see, the Karur Vysya Bank networking is really good. The branches, ATM, and cash recycler are spread all over. If we compare this with other core banking systems, okay. Now the bank's net profit have rose to 44 percentage. Now it is at 165.45 percentage, though the total income have increased by 1.04 percentage, and it came to 1561.05 crore. Okay, the another thing is like our market big bull Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He is also invested in Karur Vysya Bank, and one of his three bank, Karur Vysya is one of it. Okay, so what they are expecting? The experts are saying with the market keenly awaiting the kickstart of the result season, a few brokerage have been out with their earning projection. So here the expert and brokerage agency are projecting a really good result for the Karur Vysya Bank. Okay. So here what they're saying like Kotak Institutional Equities expect Karur Vysya Bank to report multifold jump in profit. So the last year profit was 34.60 crore, but now they are expecting almost like 175.10 crore, which is really big thing for a Karur Vysya Bank. If you look at it, it's a the past history. This would be a really multifold return for a Karur Vysya Bank and for the shareholder also. The net interest income, they are seeing the rise of 18.6 percentage year on year basis. So last year it was 583.6 crore, but now they're expecting it to 692.30 crore. So what they're saying is like we expect healthy recovery in earning growth led by lower provision and strong operating profit. So operating profit will grow by 57 percentage year on year basis, and the loan growth is also likely to be modest at 6%. So their book are also growing. Along with that, the operating profits are growing, and the profit, if it's going to jump to 175 crore, it would be a really multi-bagger for a new investor who can buy this stock at the current level. So this current level, almost near at 46 to 42, is a really good range to invest in the stock. Okay, now if you look at the rating agency, so there is a credit rating agency, that is ICRA. So even they have changed the rating of Karur Vysya from stable to positive. So what they are saying, the rating of the company's bond has been reaffirmed at ICRA A, outlook revised to positive from stable, on the basis of like the rating on the certificate of deposit program for rupees 3000 crore has been reaffirmed at ICRA A1 positive. Okay, on Basel 3 Tier 2 bond for rupees 487 crore, ICRA A stable to ICRA A positive has been reaffirmed. So when the company is changing the rating of any bank from stable to positive, it means they are looking at the potential and the good opportunity and the improvement in the bank, and that's the reason they are expecting a good result. And the results are coming in the next February month, which is hardly few weeks away. Along with that, there is a budget coming, and if there is any announcement for this bank who are really broken down because of the bad loan or other financial weak factor, then those announcements would really help all this bank to recover and improve. And if there is any budget sanctioned by a government for this bank, that would be really good news for the Karur Vysya Bank also. Okay, so looking at all this factor, the budget and the upcoming quarterly result, and the brokerages who are really bullish on this bank, and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is also invested in this, we can expect a good rally from here. Looking at the chart analysis, what the chart says. So if we see on a weekly basis, see, uh, This stock has shown almost like 145 high in 2017, and after that it was in continuous downfall. In COVID time, it has shown almost like 20 rupees low, which was a really bad for the shareholder who are holding it since a long time. It hasn't given a multifold, forget about multifold return, but it didn't even came to a positive. Okay, but from 20, it bounced back, and then this resistance trend line, it broke the resistance trend line, and then it showed the high of almost 65 rupees, and then again it came back. So here, what do we see? If we look at this chart, so here, if you look at this, there is a support trend line over here. So this is a support of 42 over here. This support of 42 has been tested multiple times. So this support has been tested multiple times. So the stock is not ready to break this support of 42. It's really good opportunity to invest in this stock with keeping stop loss of 42. The resistance is at 65. So every time it goes, there's a resistance of 65 and it falls down. So this stock is ranging between this box 42 to 65. Okay, so as long as we are keeping the stop loss of 42, there is a good opportunity over here because the stock is trading at almost 46.50 level. So if you even buy at this level and looking at the upcoming news, we can look forward for the target of 65 on a medium to long term basis. Okay. And those who have already bought this at a very higher level, like around 125, it would be a good opportunity to average this stock over here, so you can see a target of 65. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much.